Hey YouTube! So this week I'm doing a try-on haul from Stylenanda. I ordered a whole bunch of items from their website. It's a South Korean fashion brand and also makeup brand. So I ordered a few clothing items and makeup items, and I'll be trying them on and giving my first thoughts and impressions. So stick around if you're interested. Alright, so I am unboxing live on camera, and looks like we got some makeup, more makeup. Oh, this looks like a sample. And I think I got 2 pairs of pants, a belt, and some shorts, and a jacket. So the first makeup item is actually a sample. Looks like I got the 3CE Velvet Fit Foundation in Pure Ivory. I got 3 different lip shades. I bought it during a promotion where they gave a free slim velvet lip color, and the shade is Fluffy Red. Then I got 2 blurring lip liquids, one in So Over and Stick Around. So this is what the blurring liquid looks like. It's sealed. So this is the color Stick Around. It's a doe foot applicator, and the consistency is kind of like creamy but liquid. So I'm gonna apply this. It's a bit of an orange pink. I'm not sure if the color is best on me. And since it is a blurring lip color, it's not meant to be super sharp on the edges. Yeah. First thoughts, I'm not sure if this is a great color for me, but let me know what you think in the comments. Other products I got a nail lacquer in brown 07. I'll definitely be applying that later. And I was really excited for this palette, this contour palette in Toddy. Again, all sealed, comes in a box. This is a nice little compact contour palette for warm shades. And then I got the famous eyeshadow quad in Overtake. It's a great little neutral palette. And yeah, love these neutral eye colors. I will insert a video if I decide to do a little tutorial with this later, but these look really nice. Then I got a little palette, the Take a Layer palette in Going Steady. I really love the Take a Layer blush that I have, so I decided to get this one as well. You have a lot of different shades. This will be really great for creating different blush looks. I'm going to be trying on the clothes. So I got this pair of gray shorts. I do already have some gray shorts, but these were a bit more high-waisted, so I thought this would be a good option. And then I got this matching jacket to go with it. I'll insert a picture of the model that I saw wearing both of these items, and it looked really cute together, so that's why I got this. Yep, so this is a jacket. It's a bit oversized and looks like it's kind of a nylon material, so it'll be great and lightweight for the summer. So I'm gonna go try that on now. So here's the look that I came up with. I'll insert a picture of the model here to show what it looks like in real life versus the model. So I like the jacket, it's really cute and oversized, but I'm not sure if I would honestly wear it in real life because it's pretty thin. Shorts are nice, but yeah, pretty basic. No pockets or anything, but I do like the high waist and they're super comfortable, so that's a good thing. So next I got these long cargo style pants in an olive green. They feel really heavy and good quality cotton. Hopefully they fit, because they always looks a little small, but I think these are going to be a winner. Alright, so here are the pants. I do really like them. They're really good quality and they're a bit more wide-leg at the bottom, which is nice. Yeah, they fit super well. And excited to start them. Alright, so I'm really excited about these next pants. They're like a gray mom jean. Don't have anything like this at the moment. And I'm gonna style them with the belt that I got as well. A little black belt. I don't have any, so this will be a good option. So let's try that on. Alright, so I think these are a great pair of summer denim. They're a bit more lightweight. Unfortunately, I think my butt is a little big for this, so that's why you get this like V shape happening here. So I might relist these on my Depop. They came with the legs rolled up, but I believe you can roll them down. Overall, I'd say these are a good pair of straight leg jeans. Yeah, and I do like the belt, although it does smell a bit funny on initial opening. And yeah, I think this is a nice pair of jeans. It's a couple days later and I'm filming the try on haul for the makeup that I got. Wearing liquid lip and So Over, which is a red tone. It's a little bright for my liking, but it does look very pretty. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my face using the products that I received. So I'm gonna do this for the foundation. It's the 3CE Velvet Fit Foundation in Pure Ivory. The Take a Layer palette in Going Steady for blush. And then the 3CE Face Contour Tuning palette in Tawny for contour. And then we'll try out the Overtake Multi-Eye Color Palette. Of course, I'm going to be supplementing with products that I don't have: brow, mascara, and eyeliner with my own product. It might be a little bit light for my skin right now. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's kind of liquidy. This is it here. Alright. So yeah, overall looking at it, definitely don't think it's the right color match for me right now, but I do like the formula. So now I'm going to do the Take a Layer palette. And I think I will go for one of these pink shades for today. So yeah, I like it. Just use this shade right here with the finger and blended that in. I'm gonna try using the contour palette. I'll just try going for the medium shade right here in the cheek area. I definitely like this palette. It's more of a subtle contour, but I do enjoy how it looks. Definitely went on a bit strong, but it's definitely very blendable. And obviously I'm not a makeup expert by any means. Alright, I'm gonna do my brows and then come back for the eye palette look. Brows done, did a little bit more concealing on that zit. Now we can try the Overtake palette. So I'm really excited for this one because it seems like almost every K-beauty artist uses this palette. I'm going to start with this shade for all over the eye base. Just notice that it doesn't have a compact mirror, obviously because of the clear lid. But I'll just use the camera. Alright, primed. And then I'm going to go in with this shade over the main part of the lid. I like that it's got like a very subtle satin finish, and these powders all feel very soft. Don't feel like I'm getting any fallout either. Alright, so I'm gonna use this shade right here to go into the crease a little bit. For the darker shade, I definitely noticed a little bit of patchiness. However, it might not be as bad using a blending brush and not my fingers. And then I'm just gonna do this shade for a accent. I really like that. This is a really soft glitter and it doesn't feel too chunky. It's very soft and blendable and it's pretty subtle too, so I really like that. Now I'm gonna finish up the eyes and then I'll show you the completed look. Alright, so I finished up my eyes and I'm really happy with all the products so far. I think the contour and blush are super pretty and natural. I really love the Overtake eye palette. And this lip shade is actually growing on me, but I am still listing it on my Depop if you're interested in purchasing it. I just swatched it for this video. Other than that, hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day.